Couple of things that we're seeing today in the market is lots of organizations are moving to the cloud, and in doing so, they're trying to protect their data and workloads in a more cost-effective manner while leveraging the economies of scale of the cloud. Another thing we're also noticing is that as the data goes beyond the firewall, over 50% of the data actually is beyond the firewall, primarily due to a mobile workforce or remote offices across the globe, or even a lot of organizations rewriting applications in the cloud now have a lot of AWS accounts and leveraging AWS storage regions, and it is spread all across. Managing that has been a key complex issue for a lot of organizations today, and as a result, IT is losing visibility and control of that information. They want to know where the data is, are there any data infractions, how can they manage it, and how do they actually govern that data in a manner such that there are no legal implications or any compliance infractions or data infractions as a result. So the Druva Cloud Platforms helps organizations to do exactly that. It provides a cloud-native solution which is delivered as a service for organizations to scale up or down based on their needs. And the beauty of that solution, or the Druva Cloud Platform, is that it's a cloud-native solution. Essentially what that means is that we leverage all the microservices from AWS, which helps organizations immediately scale up or down based on their needs. There is no hardware, there is no software licenses, you don't have to manage any software in the cloud as a result, so it gives a very, very clean solution for organization to start within minutes. And the beauty also from that is, as organizations move their data and workloads to the cloud, you can now unify all that information to help protect it, give you full visibility and control of that information, thereby helping with any complex issues or eliminating any complex issues as a result. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit druva.com.